Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a tangled web of political intrigue that spans across the southern tip of Africa. We're talking about the upcoming elections in South Africa, set for May 29, 2024, and how they might be influenced by Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa. First, let's set the stage. Zimbabwe recently held elections, and let's just say they were controversial. President Mnangagwa was declared the winner amidst widespread allegations of electoral manipulation. Critics argue that the elections were anything but free and fair. Now, this isn't just about Zimbabwe. The fallout is spilling over the borders, right into South Africa. President Cyril Ramaphosa, South Africa's current leader, has been somewhat silent on the controversies surrounding his neighbor's elections. However, it's interesting to note that Mnangagwa's government and Ramaphosa's ANC party have been quite chummy. Reports suggest that not only has Mnangagwa's regime been supportive, but they may have even contributed financially to the ANC's campaign. Why does this matter? Well, South Africa is gearing up for its own elections. The ANC, Ramaphosa's party, has a lot riding on this. They've even been accused of inviting foreign political parties, including Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF, to serve as election observers. Opposition leaders in South Africa are up in arms, worried that the ANC might adopt some of Zimbabwe's electoral tactics. Mmusi Maimane, leader of the opposition party Build One South Africa, didn't mince words. He openly criticized the ANC's cozy relationship with ZANU-PF, suggesting the only things to learn from them are how to manipulate elections and betray trust. So what's at stake here? If the ANC wins, and if it's under dubious circumstances similar to those observed in Zimbabwe, it could severely impact the credibility of democratic processes in both countries. It's a classic case of political domino effect. As we edge closer to the election date, the international community, along with local watchdogs, are keeping a sharp eye on these developments. Will South Africa uphold the sanctity of its electoral process, or will we see a repeat of Zimbabwe's controversies? This isn't just about two elections. It's about the broader implications for democracy in the region. If South Africa, a beacon of democratic progress in Africa since the end of apartheid, falters, it might set a troubling precedent for the entire continent. I'll keep watching how this unfolds and keep you updated on any new developments. For now, keep an eye on these hidden ties because they might just determine the direction of an entire nation. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video where we unravel more political mysteries. Stay curious.